Well, here we are with Jersey Devil. It's been topped off. The track's all complete.
You know, I think this ride might be a little intense for Wiggles World. Degrees looks pretty vertical. Well, that's because it almost did. Yeah.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
You're welcome.
Inside your adventure style shot.
All right, here's the recently completed Jersey Devil. Well, the track's been completed. There's mechanical stuff still to be done, and theming and all that.
What's the S?
It looks beautiful.
No, it won't exactly. Half of the stuff will be filled in. Yeah. Ready? It's like a 40-degree lift.
That's really odd. It's almost like hybrid.
Shower ship's like a 50-degree lift. Flying Aces has like almost a 70-degree lift.
Okay, don't talk fast on the line for later. I'll be sitting on the bench.
There's Bob.
Just gonna create a different name for
So
myself.
they are working hard or hardly working, one of the two. It's RMC, they're working hard.
No, we're gonna go right to the Nitro's been down.
It just cycled.
It's like,
Oh,
Yeah. And cycling's a good sign.
Nitro.
go get a lock for a light and then
So there's some of the mechanical stuff is in place now.
I put up some equation for a project, and I'll be like, all right, this is the answer. He's like, how do you do that?
Looks like the chain's not in place yet.
I just want to take a video and be like, look in the wild as we encounter some wild coaster enthusiasts.
there you go.
They're taking video of the Predator. The Predator is right here. The enthusiasts are over there.
The Jersey Devil, Predator.
Get the information. Send the data. Post the pictures.
Mythical. Mythical, magical.
how did he get a photo so fast? I thought he wasn't here. What?